Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Keena, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my signature twist out. So let's get started. For products, I'll be using the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. And for defining, I'll be using the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. And I'm doing this style on freshly co-washed hair. If you would like to see how I co-wash my hair, check out that video. And I did towel dry my hair for about 30 minutes. And I'm just creating my sections. And once I have all my sections, I just like to oil my scalp. I'm using my avocado and tea tree oil mixture. And I'm first going in with the leave-in conditioner, just raking that leave-in into my hair. And I'm detangling my hair so that my twists are nice and smooth. And I'm going in with the curl defining custard. And I'm just going to simply two-strand twist my hair all the way down. And I'm just applying some oil to my ends. If you want more of a curly twist style, then you can perm rod the ends. But for this twist style, I was going more for a wavy and beachy look, so I decided not to. Again, I'm going in with leave-in conditioner. Just raking the leave-in conditioner into my hair until I feel like it's moisturized. Then I like to detangle my hair just to make sure my hair is smooth in the twist. Then I like to apply curl defining cream just to define my curls, and I just simply twist my hair. And I definitely recommend doing twist outs on dry or semi-dry hair. You're definitely going to get a better result. I did towel dry my hair for about 30 minutes before I began styling. So my hair was about 90% dry in this video. I do recommend, if you're going to allow your twist to air dry overnight, to not sleep with a bonnet, just so your twist can dry effectively. Sleep with a satin pillowcase if you have one. I learned the hard way, if this style does not dry, it's gonna look a hot mess in the morning. Trust me. So I did a total of 16 twists. You don't have to do that many, but I've learned that the more twists that I do, the more curly my hair is going to look, and the less twists that I do, the more wavy my hair is going to look. And I'm just laying my edges and getting ready for bed. So it's the next day. I'm just getting ready to take my twist down. I like to apply my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum to my twist before I take them out. And I'm just simply unraveling the twist. And I like to take my time unraveling the twist. I feel like I get better definition that way. And it also helps me to prevent frizz. I know I love my pick. I'm just using my pick to just give me some more body and value. And I'm just stretching out my hair until I'm satisfied. And I'm all done. Yes, look at that twist out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.